Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from PandaBuy. Now stick to the very end to avoid any mistake. Now first of all, you need to log in into your account. Once you are logged in, just click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then click on user center. Then you will scroll down and click on wallet. Then as you can see, for me I do not have any amount, but if you have amount that you will wish to withdraw, just beside top up you will see a refund button. Just click on that refund button, and once you've clicked that refund button, PandaBuy will initiate a refund to your account. Now once you've clicked that refund button, for your amount to be for your money to be withdrawn to your account, it will take about 2 to 3 days, and your money will be withdrawn to your account. Just be patient and you will see your money on your account. Guys, that's it. That's how you can withdraw money from PandaBuy. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.